Hi, this is Sherry from Zirdent. Nice to meet you. Today I'll introduce our ZDS-V5 intraoral scanner. It features 10 micron precision, true color output, and a lightweight grip to simplify your clinic work. With the advanced CMOS chip, it scans without powder and generates clear 3D models instantly. Slim ergonomic tip fits all patients. Detachable design supports 134 degrees Celsius high temperature sterilization for great hygiene. Perfect for restoration, implant, and orthodontics. It exports STL, OBG, BLY, and works seamlessly with exocad and CAD system. USB Type-C plug and play, anti-fog system, and multi-language option, stable for daily heavy use. Zirdent Intraoral Scanner ZDS-V5. It scans smarter, design better, and deliver more. Welcome to contact us anytime.